Hello, Tom. Good morning.
Good morning, Anna. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. I always feel good in the morning. I like mornings.
Really? I don't like mornings. I am always sleepy.
Do you wake up late?
No, I wake up early, but I don't feel awake.
Oh, I understand. I drink coffee every morning. Do you want some?
No, thank you. I don't drink coffee. I drink tea.
Oh, nice. Do you drink tea every day?
Yes, I do. I love tea.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast and eggs. What about you?
I eat cereal and fruit. Sometimes I eat toast.
Do you eat eggs?
No, I don't like eggs.
Oh, I love eggs. I eat them every day.
Do you eat a big breakfast?
Yes, I do. I like a big breakfast. What about you?
No, I eat a small breakfast, but I drink a big cup of coffee.
Haha, I see. Do you always eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I do. I don't eat outside in the morning.
Me too. Eating at home is nice.
Yes, it is. Okay, I have to go now.
Okay. Have a good day.
You too. See you later.
See you later.
Hey, Jake. How are you?
Hi, Emma. I'm good. And you?
I'm great. I love this weather.
Yes, it's really nice today. Do you come to the park often?
Yes, I do. I come here every weekend.
Oh, do you jog here?
Yes, I do. I love jogging in the morning.
That's great. I don't jog, but I ride my bike here.
Oh, nice. Do you ride every day?
No, just on weekends.
Cool. What do you do in your free time?
I read books and play video games. What about you?
I like reading too. What books do you read?
I read adventure books, and you?
I like mystery books.
Oh, nice. Do you go to the library often?
Yes, I do. I borrow books every month.
That's great. Maybe we can go together next time.
Yes. That sounds like a good idea.
Hey, Mark, what's up?
Hey, Alex, not much. How about you?
I'm good. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. What about you?
I'm thinking of going to the beach. Do you want to come?
Oh, that sounds great. What time?
Maybe in the morning. The weather is nice these days.
Yeah, that's true. Do you go to the beach often?
Not really, but I love it. Do you like swimming?
Yes, I do. But I don't swim very well.
No problem. We can just relax and enjoy the sun.
Yeah, that sounds perfect. Do you bring snacks?
Yes, I always bring some food and drinks.
Great. I'll bring some too.
Awesome. Let's meet at 9 a.m. on Saturday.
Okay. See you then.